I challenged both my cousins, better edits and Clapboard, to make edits of me. And those results were amazing. And that was only round 1 of my master plan. And by the way, if you want to see those edits, go on their channel. Honestly, go on their channel. Those edits are amazing. They're edits of me, so of course they're amazing. But now it's time for round 2 of this whole challenge, okay? I'm thinking make an edit of... Oh, wait, before I reveal it to you guys. I'm making... This is a whole full-length video, so watch that when that comes out. Stay tuned. And I want you guys to make an edit of a car. Any sort of car. Possibly... Maybe... I want a GTR. Gran Turismo car. Okay, got that? You got that? You got that? Yeah, I'm talking to you, Jacob. And you got them.